Hello WordPress website creators and business owners. If you are running an WooCommerce website, that is WooCommerce store, I have a ultimate growth tool for you that can bring more conversions, more sales at your e-commerce store. We are going to discuss a all-in-one solution through which you can enable most of the upselling techniques at your WooCommerce website. Let us take a quick overview what we can have with the solution that I'm going to show you that you can avail through the video description link. Okay. So the pre-orders thing allow visitors to pre-order products that are either out of stock or not yet released. So it is all on high demand, all these features you need. So I'm reading one by one very quickly. Another is wait list. So build website wait list for sold out items and auto notify potential customers when items are restocked. Frequently bought together. So we have already discussed some good plugins for this purpose. This is a very important and high using upselling technique on across all e-commerce platforms, that is frequently bought together. And when you are also buying online, so you are using these feature at another sites like Flipkart, Amazon and all. So frequently bought together creates bundle of related products that customer can add to their cart with just one click. This is very helpful in converting or increasing the minimum order value or even order value, we can say. Buy X and get Y. This is also a good trend. So create offers where purchasing a specific quantity of product X triggers a discount on product Y. So it is again going to attract more conversion. Bulk discount is a thing that is commonly used. So offer discounts to a larger quantity purchases to drive up average order value. Okay. Spending discount goal. So motivate higher order value by offering customer discounts for reaching spending goals. So in quick commerce this is very popular, as you might be using Blinkit or Zapto or Flipkart Minutes. So everywhere you'll find such deals like a spending discount deal, like add few more items and you'll get further discount and all, right? So this is very good. Again, we have free gifts. So reward shoppers with a free gift if they hit a specific spending target or apply a coupon. Next is free shipping bar. So encourage customers to spend more by displaying the amount left needed for free shipping. Yes, so free shipping is an attraction in fact. Countdown timer. Oh, okay, so it creates a sense of urgency by displaying a countdown timer on your discounted products. Okay, good. Stock scarcity. So let visitors know that stock is running low on products they are looking at. So like only 2 left, only 3 left we have seen in our purchasing practices. Checkouts. Choose from 3 different checkout layouts, like you can use either the Shopify styles, multi-step or one page. So this is for changing the checkout pattern of WooCommerce, like. So this is also very good thing. So you can change the user experience by changing the checkout steps. Sticky add to cart. This is an important thing, and I have seen in modern themes it is already included, but yes, it is available here. Display a sticky add to cart bar when visitors are scrolling on your product pages. Next we have the recently viewed products. So recently viewed products on product pages and in the cart. Okay. Cart count fav icon. Make your browser tab stand out by showing a number of items in the cart on the fav icon. Okay. So this is a good thing. Make your browser tab stand out. Yes. By showing the number of items in the cart on the fav icon. Okay, this is a very new thing, so we should try this in fact. So if I open this, so there is a setting for everything. So like this is a web icon item on the browser, not on the web page. So on the browser it is showing some numbers, so it is again attracting some attention, that if the visitor is on another tab, so it may attract the visitor to come back here. So he had added some items here. Okay, what next? So this is very good. So this is a new thing that I have seen. Okay, cart fav icon, inactive tab message. Okay, this is also similar thing. Like modify the browser tab's title when the visitor navigates away from your store. So these both things are very interactive, because at one time the visitors walks on multiple tab and he might be missing or leaving the order, or ordering the item that is already decided due to some work or all. So this is pulling some additional attention. Don't forget this. So I was looking for such solution in fact. Okay, so I'll definitely implement on upcoming WooCommerce sites that we are delivering at through our iCreate program. So I'm sure you are a regular visitor and know about the iCreate program, where you can get all the support and help for your WordPress sites. Yes, the link has been given in the video description. Okay, next is the side cart. So a sliding cart whenever a customer adds a product to the cart, that is fine. Advanced reviews and reasons to buy list. So provide customer with a summary of key features and benefits of your product orders. Okay. Product branch image, scroll to the top. Size cart, this is useful thing. Wish list, product video, product audio, and login pop-up. So these all things can be added to any WooCommerce website, irrespective to what theme it is using, through a plugin called Merchant Pro. Yes, so this is ultimate growth toolkit for WooCommerce. All the conversion tools your WooCommerce store needs to increase revenue, retain customer, and boost AOV, average order value, packed in one fast, reliable plugin trusted over 10,000 stores. So get Merchant Pro, and you can check the pricing and all details through the link given in the video description. I must tell you, this is not a promotional video. The same solutions may be available in free plugins, and you can explore multiple plugins, themes, and solutions resources on this channel itself. So explore other solutions available here, and in case you want to discuss, you want any support, don't hesitate in pinging on live chat, and a mentor is going to help you in all these respects. So how you can achieve a particular goal to adding feature on your WordPress sites. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources, more useful things for you. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.